Hey, welcome to Deako. Meet our smart switch. In this video, we're going to go over all of its features and how to install it. This smart switch allows you to design the lighting your home needs when you use it with the Deako mobile app and use customizable features that are right at your fingertips. You can connect to your home Wi-Fi for Google Assistant and Alexa capabilities, use the Deako app to turn on or off your lights, as well as link to other smart switches for added control to the rest of your home. Simply remove the faceplate, pull out your existing switch, replace it with a new switch by pushing it into the backplate, and it's that easy. The smart switch gives you full control of your lighting from your phone, as well as the ability to set schedules and program timers for an ideal setting. Now that you know how to install and use your smart switch, you're ready to enjoy all the innovative lighting solutions that Deako provides.